Hi, I'm Yash from TOPdesk, and today we're going to be talking about how to make your incident management process more agile. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay up to date on our latest service management trends, tips, and tricks. Agile service management combines the best of both Agile and ITSM. But what does that mean in practice? Let's find out by looking at one of the most fundamental processes of any IT department, incident management. How do you make your incident management process more agile? I have two important tips for you. First, take a critical look at your current incident management process, and with each step, ask yourself, does this add value for the customer? To answer this question, you first need to know what your customer wants. Your customer probably wants a quick and good solution. Every step in your incident management process needs to contribute to that. Is there a step that doesn't contribute to your goal? See if you can remove it. Next, look at all the fields you normally fill out for each incoming incident. Is all of this really necessary? If you think about it, you only need to know a few things to process an incident. The name, the information of the caller, the question, a potential deadline even. The rest of the fields you fill out are typically only used for reporting. Or are they? Some service desks fill out all kinds of fields, the data of which never ends up in a report. And even if that data were to end up in a report, what happens to the reports? Do you actually use them? Do you make improvements maybe? And do these improvements contribute to your overall goal of adding value for the customer? If the answer to all of these questions is no, you might want to reconsider this part of your incident management process. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying reports are useless. On the contrary, reports can give you valuable information about your ITSM processes, but you need to stay critical. Some data is simply irrelevant, so don't fill out these fields. This saves the service desk a lot of registration time. Want more service management content? Check out the description box and hit the notification bell to receive updates every time we post.